Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. My name is Chef, and first of all I would like to thank you all for the support with the channel. And secondly, if anyone out there is wondering what this channel is about reviews, tutorials, how-to videos, feel-good videos, etc. all in this niche. Let's continue with the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power up an Android phone without a power button. And at times, the buttons on the phones are damaged, and I have such a situation in which the volume or the power buttons are damaged. I tried to power up my Android phone through various ways. I checked it over the internet. Some suggested debugging mode or something, but that was too technical. So I tried some different method. Fortunately, it turned on the phone, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So here is a power bank, a micro USB cable, and the Blackberry PRIV Android phone. If you notice on this, first of all, I've been using this phone for the last 5 years, and I really loved it for the fact it's a slide phone. It's got a physical QWERTY keyboard, and if you notice on it, it has no the power button has fallen off, and so have the the volume up or the volume down button. So I have no way of switching this phone on, and I checked the internet on how to do or how to switch on an Android phone without a power button, but all of them were, to put the phone in debugging method, and it was too technical for me. So what I did was I did try a couple of other methods, and this one worked out. So I thought of sharing it with you guys, and so I'm going to use a power bank for the sake of convenience in this video, and you could use a wall socket. Just take the micro USB and fully charge your phone first of all, and then take the micro USB out and plug it out, plug it in. Do it a couple of times, until the phone switches on. I'm sure it depends, or it might be different for other brands of phone, but look, the phone has switched on. So this is beautiful. I have no technical knowledge of what to do after you initiate the debugging method. This is how I switch on my Android phone, which is a Blackberry PRIV, without a power button or the volume up or down button. I will be uploading more content frequently, and in case if this video benefits you in any way, shape or form, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos as such. Thank you. Take care.